Hello YouTube, look what we have here, a comparison from Jiusi Race RC cars. This is the WB12 Pro. You have here the MT14R and this is the PT14R. We will talk a little bit about these three units here. I'm also bringing here the Hypergos, very popular vehicles. We will do a quick comparison just so you know what are the main differences between Jiusi Race, MJX, and in between the Jiusi Race cars, which one do you like better? So I'm Felipe Zafani. I'm bringing this reviews to you. I hope that you liked. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe now, leave your comments, like, dislike, and I'll get back to you very shortly. So without further ado, as you can see here, this is my latest one. I got this a week ago. I was stuck in customs with all of these tariffs, but this is the WB12 Pro. If you look from above here, you see that the wheelbase is longer. Between all of these three, these are basically the same. This one is a little bit longer. If I come here to this angle, you've seen the full review most likely. This is a beautiful, gorgeous vehicle. I also liked my MT14 with the spoiler. Really cool look. And look at the details here. You have a gas tank, fire extinguisher, bags, rooftop. It has it all. These cars are known to be very quick. Let's remove the cover. Before that, let's just flip over. The only one that actually has some design in the bottom, it is the WB12 with some of the design. Everything else in the other ones are just a plain chassis. But while we are in here, we can see the similarities. Same A-arm on all of this. So all of these parts are exchangeable. Even this plate looks the same. This one a little bit longer, but the plates are the same as well. Knuckles, everything the same. There isn't much differences here. Rear bumper, let's flip this back to this side now. Rear bumper on the PT14 is the same as the WB12. Not rear bumper on this one. It has a wheelie bar for the MT14. Let's remove the covers now and look the cars like this. Let me put the newer one here, this one right here. As you can see, between the MT and the PT, there is no differences. Same shocks, same metal towers. I like that they have different colors for all of their different vehicles. Orange, golden, and black. All the parts here are the same. The motor is a 2845 3600 kV. Again, they also have different colors for the motors, which is very nice. 3 different colors. All of them have the adjustable mount, aluminum adjustable mount, so you can increase the pinion size. All of them have the heatsink. Same heatsink, different color. The location for the receiver, which is a dumbbell receiver and controller, has been modified because this chassis is longer, so you can lower the center of gravity by dropping the receiver box here. And the location where they mounted the ESC is about the same. It's the same ESC. Again, they have different colors for the heatsink, but it's the same. These ones have the connectors hanging loose like this. This one's a little bit better organized, mounted on top of here, these braces. So again, love that Jiusi Race is doing so much attention to details here. Everything else on all of this is the same. Like that they have different colors for the shocks, but they are all the same. They are all oil filled shocks with adjustable collars here. You can pull the spring down and then just rotate this. All aluminum. They all have sway bars mounted right here. Adjustable knuckles. Very good. All plastic hubs, which is not a problem. LEDs on those two. No front bumper here, so you get no LEDs on this model right here. Metal towers, very resistant. Metal axles. Differential oil feels really good. Tires. This rubber here is very grippy. Nice foam inside. This one also very grippy, foam inside. Same goes for this tire. Those tires are very good, like the grip it provides. So this is a quick overview here. All of them is 2S, 3S capable. It can go up to 50 miles an hour as listed in the box. But I heard people getting up to 80 miles an hour updating the pinion gear and running 4S with a different ESC. Now if I bring just two vehicles here for comparison, I'll get this very popular Hypergo. This is the H16BM. This is very popular, very popular. I've done a few upgrades. I have metal towers here. It's not metal as you buy it. This car is so good and so resistant as well, but as you can see, it's quite smaller than the Jiusi Race ones. I put them right here, side to side, line to line. You can see that the Hypergo is a bit smaller. That's not a problem. It's a great car. The suspension, I feel like the suspension on the Jiusi Race feels a lot better. I like the suspension, they're better. I play with this. This is about 2 years old now, so maybe, you know, it's a bit older. But and then comparing the buggies, the 12 Pro, which I'm gonna have it sit it right here, and the Hypergo. This is the, I think it's H16PL or something like that. Look how much smaller it is. It's by like 2-3 inches. So this wheelbase being so much longer, it's a lot better to control, to keep going straight. From a side right here, it's about the same. Well, I'm sweating, it's so hot today. And if I take the cover off, by the way, I like that Hypergo gives you two options. Snaky color and then this kind of camouflage here. Both have about the same motor, 3S capable. Receiver is exposed right here. This one has its own box, but the Hypergo has a very good ESC and receiver as well. Nothing to complain. Well, if I may say, it's a bit slower when you pull the trigger. Nothing compared to this Dumbo RC receiver and controller. I have never had a problem with that. So again, very similar construction. I like the fact that the Jiusi Race has all of this protection here on top for your shocks. You don't get the same, just have some plastic part that goes here, better than nothing. But as you can see, this is a lot stronger, right? There is no comparison. The Hypergos, and this is all stock comparing to that one right here, which I have aluminum parts. This is all plastic, and it's aluminum for the JSI Jiusi Race cars. So about the same construction, very similar. Underneath the Hyper Ghost, they have a plastic tub style body, which this one is aluminum. Much thicker arms for the Jiusi Race, but again, all of these cars are holding up really well. Have my kids playing it for a while now. I believe my 16 here is probably 2 years old now. This one's about a year old now, and this I just got. But we'll be running all of these cars for a while here. And yeah, if you have questions on the difference on all of this, let me know. As you can see, wow, it's so hot in here today. So I hope that you liked this video. Please subscribe to my channel, ask questions, comments, let me know what and how I can improve these videos. I have a lot of RCs and I can answer questions and help you choose and decide based on what I'm showing you which RC you want to buy next. So these are just a few from this scale, I would say 16, 14 and even 12 scale RCs that I have. I hope you liked, and I see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.